This is the Victorinox Farmer Silver Alox knife. Now you will notice that the handles or scales are different on this knife than most. Most Swiss Army knives have red plastic handles. These are not. These handles are anodized aluminum. They're actually metal handles, so the whole knife is constructed of metal, stainless steel and aluminum, and there's no plastic parts on it. The Farmer Silver Alox is a medium-sized Swiss Army knife. It has a length of 3 2/3 inches, 91 millimeters. The Farmer Silver Alox has the following features. Here is a can opener and a very small screwdriver at the tip. Next we have the blade, and following that is a wood saw. Now on the other side we have, here is a bottle opener with a large screwdriver, and it's kind of hard to see, but right in the corner there is a wire stripper. And then here we have an awl, A-W-L, awl. Those are the features of the Farmer